This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the essentials in place: VSCode, the Sqlite binary, and the Sqlite extension. Open your project folder now, make a new file named data, db, or open an existing db. Once done, open the extension panel, connect to that database, and list tables. You do this because the extension needs a live file to inspect. Make sure the binary is on path so commands run. This rapid setup wastes no time and gets you reading the DB immediately. You now perform the core work: write queries and edit data. Open a new SQL editor tab, type a select with limit to preview rows, and run it. Once you see results, use parameterized insert or transactions to batch changes so you avoid partial updates. Integrate with your app. Run Sqlite 3 from the integrated terminal or use your language client library. Make sure to commit transactions and close connections. This prevents locks and keeps the DB reliable as you develop. You finish by cleaning and securing the database. Run vacuum to shrink the file, then analyze to improve query planning. Export a. Dump for backups and commit that to version control or secure storage. If something goes wrong, like a locked database, first check for open connections in the extension and the integrated terminal, then close or restart VSCode. You can also kill the Sqlite 3 process. This single troubleshooting step resolves most access and locking errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.